So ever since I was a little kid, I've always wanted to work at Den. My dad and I used to come out here and we'd watch the planes take off and land, and it was just the coolest thing. And now I get to be an intern.
The ramp tower controls all the aircraft in the non-movement area, which is not controlled by the FAA. So this internship has been great because not only did they let me work as a controller, but they also allowed me the freedom to shadow different departments around the airport.
One of my favorite things about interning here is that every day isn't the same. I get to meet with different people every day, give different presentations on different topics to different departments. There are so many employees here that make Den what it is, and we need them all to be functioning at the highest potential that they can.
It never gets old. This internship has been just a wonderful experience and definitely solidifies what I want to do in my future.
Go for upstate.
Upstate, were you trying to come?
So I've met tons of different people, and it's been great to kind of get to know this whole kind of big family that we have here at the airport.
That's been it easy.